In this quick training, I'm going to show you how I went from selling my time, barely making any money honestly, to making upwards of $2,600 in a single day. I'm talking about cash collected, not revenue, and over like 95% of it was profit. So first of all, who is this for? There's going to be two categories of people. One, you are an employee, you work a job, a 9 to 5, but you don't like having a capped income and you're sick and tired of trading your time for money. You want a more passive, a more scalable way to make money. Or you are a coach, a consultant, an agency owner, and you want to scale your business past 6 figures a year in profit without having to work more hours and constantly take on new annoying clients who don't even respect your boundaries. Well, I'm going to show you how you can leverage your knowledge, your expertise, even your passion, and turn it into a high-ticket info product that makes you 85 to 95% profit. But I mean, why should you even listen to me? Back around 2022, I started my online business journey by offering services to agency owners, coaches and consultants, but mainly like agency businesses because I was helping them to book more sales calls, more appointments, so they could close more deals. And that was my first real successful online venture. But the thing is, I realized there was only so much I could do. Like I could book more appointments for people, but then that was it. Like if they couldn't close the appointments, then they weren't making money, they weren't happy, even though I was doing my part of the job. And I also dealt with plenty of annoying customers who did not respect my boundaries, and I realized if I wanted to scale this, I'd have to work 10 times more. That's the self-employment trap. Nobody warns you about these things. Everybody thinks that being self-employed is the coolest thing in the world, but I mean, if you've ever ran a business, then you know that there's a lot of cons to it too. So then, in order to scale my revenue and my income, I tried to sell an online course, and in a whole year, in my first year selling it, I made $1,000. So that was an epic fail. I mean, if you only make $1,000 a year, you are literally much below the poverty line. So you can't live on that. That means I was still doing work that I kind of enjoyed, but also I was just sick of doing it. So after hitting my head against the wall, constantly not being able to scale my course info product business, I just realized I did not know what I did not know. And so I got a mentor, and just by listening to her advice, I had so many ideas, so many new things to implement, and within just a matter of months, I increased my income by over 25,000%. Yes, you heard that right. It's a 25,000% increase, so it's not small, which led me to selling courses full-time and stopping the service work, done for you work completely. And like I mentioned earlier in this video, my best day so far, I'm only talking cash collected, not revenue. Revenue, I've done a lot more than that. But cash collected, my best day has been $2,600 in one single day. And on that day, I only worked like 2 hours. And most of it was profit, 95 to 96%. But I haven't only done this for myself. I've worked with over 100 people by now, and I've helped those people start or scale a high-ticket info product business as well. Most people who came to me, they were starting from scratch. For example, when Azar came to me, he was working a regular 9 to 5 job, but then in only 90 days, he scaled to $10,000 a month, like recurring income, and then went on to make over 25K per month recurring. And all that happened in just a few months from starting, and he had no previous business experience. Right now, what's holding you back is that, 1, you don't know what you don't know, and that's the reason why you're not at the level you want to be at yet, or 2, you're letting limiting beliefs hold you back. For example, there's a guy that came to me. He didn't think he had any skills, any knowledge he could monetize. He was doing like B2B agency work. He didn't like it. He wanted to stop it, and he didn't want to sell a course around it. So I told him, okay, no problem. What do you like doing? What kind of content do you like watching? And he was really into manifestation, law of attraction stuff. And so he told me I'd love to do mindset coaching, but I don't think anybody's gonna pay for that. I know people like Quasi, I know people like Neural Knowledge. They make hundreds of thousands of dollars a month selling mindset coaching. So initially that guy, he had gotten like a client at $500, but then I told him, no, just increase your prices. And he started charging $5,000 for the same thing. It was the same offer, he just conveyed the value in a different way, positioned himself differently, worked with the top of the market instead of just anybody, and he made 10 times more per client. That's what happens when you know how to price your offer correctly and how to position it correctly. Now, obviously, this is just a quick training. Your situation requires a unique blueprint. Like there's so many videos on YouTube and so many books on how to make more money, etc. But most people never succeed. Most people never make more money. And that's not me making it up, it's just facts. Making $10,000 a month, it's top 1% in the world. Making $100,000 a month, That's like 0.01%. So there's a reason why most people never actually make it. And like I said, it's one, you don't know what you don't know. Two, you don't have the right beliefs to make it work. And three, you might have just no accountability. Sometimes you know what you need to do, but you're just not doing it. So right now, what I invite you to do is to just look below this video. You can schedule a completely free strategy call with me. Now, obviously, I'm sure you realize that I'm pretty busy. I run multiple different offers, so I can't be taking 10 calls a day or 100 calls a month. I just can't do it. So if you want to get the opportunity to talk to me, and so I can share with you all my systems, exactly everything I've done to make upwards of $2,600 per day in cash collected with mostly profit, and how you can start this as well, then go below this video and book a free call before all the spots are taken. On that call, we're gonna diagnose your situation, see what's working, what's not, and I'm gonna show you step by step how you can replicate what I've done and sell high-ticket info products. That way you can make more money and have a lot more fun, a lot more fulfillment without having to sell more of your time. Because if you want to scale, I'm sure you understand, you need to remove yourself from the day-to-day operations as much as possible. Now, I know some people still want to do one-to-one work, they just want to do coaching instead of gruesome done-for-you services, and if you want to do that, that's fine, I can show you how to do that. But if you truly want to have the most passive or most scalable business model, I'm going to show you how to remove yourself, simply because instead of selling your time, you're going to sell a product, an outcome, an end result. For example, instead of like booking sales calls for other businesses, what if you taught businesses, creators, etc. how to book more sales calls? Info products are very easy to sell as well because they're so high profit. There's no physical product, so no physical costs. There's no shipping and all the problems that come with it. It's just you having a conversation with someone, pitching them your thing if it's a good fit, and they pay you. That is literally it. Simplest way to make money ever, and it's also very scalable. One client will literally make you between $3,000 all the way to $20,000 and more. So to hit 100 grand a year or more, you only need a handful of clients. You don't need thousands. Now, to be able to successfully stop selling your time and instead sell high-ticket, very scalable info products, there's 3 main shifts we need to make right now. If you don't make these 3 shifts, it is never gonna work. You're gonna be stuck in a business you don't like, trading your time for money, and it's just not gonna be as fun and as fulfilling. And you're not gonna be helping all the people you could help, and you're not gonna be making all the money you could be making. So shift number 1 is to go from doing one-to-one work or done-for-you work to selling products, info products more precisely. Because manual labor services, they don't scale, or if you want to scale them, you need to have this gigantic team. But then because you hire all these people, etc., and you need to manage so many different customers, so many things can go wrong. Think about it this way. Let's say you have to look after a few kids. Looking after one kid, okay, that's fine, you can do it. Now, what if you had to look after 100 kids? They're all gonna be running in different directions. It's gonna be a fucking nightmare. You're gonna lose half of them. The parents will call the police. You're gonna go to jail. And that's kind of the same thing that happens in business. When you try to scale done-for-you services or one-to-one work, like if you get paid per hour, like let's say you're a coach and you charge $50 an hour, you cannot scale. It is literally physically impossible because the model, while it might be good to get started, it's not good to keep going and to keep growing. Instead, what we do is instead of doing the work for others, we teach them how to do it themselves. And sometimes people think, oh, but surely people won't buy it because they want me to do it for them. Well, not necessarily. A lot of people would love to just do it at their own pace. But again, obviously I can't really explain everything in this video, so just book your free call below and talk to me. And we're gonna see together what you can be selling and how to do it, etc. And the fastest way for you to get customers with this. The second shift we need to make is to stop selling like hourly rates or low ticket pricing models. Instead, we shift to high ticket. For example, let's say you are a fitness coach. Maybe you charge per hour. Maybe your rate is $50 an hour. Or maybe you charge $49 a month. Well, instead, we're going to look at your offer and repackage it completely. And I'm going to show you how, for the same skill that you have, instead of chasing after so many $50 an hour customer or $49 a month customers, you can charge 5 to 15K plus without changing your skill, without getting more certifications, just by positioning your offer differently and targeting people who can actually afford to pay you. And the third shift I want to share with you is actually the very simple 4-step process we need to follow in order to make this work. When you follow these 4 steps consistently, you're going to be having a 10K to 100K per month plus info product business, and it's only gonna take you a few hours a week to manage it. I'm dead serious. The first step is offer, then there's traffic, sales mechanism, and delivery. If you mess up any of these things, it is not gonna work. The most important thing is gonna be your offer. You can sell the right thing, but if you sell it to the wrong people, it's not gonna work. It's like trying to sell meat to vegans. It doesn't mean people don't want meat, just not vegans. And sometimes you're also selling the wrong thing to the right people. So we need to figure that out. We need to get you product market fit. Make sure that people actually want that thing that you're selling. Then once you've got your high ticket offer crafted, you charge ideally between $3,000 on the lower end all the way to $20K plus. But really a good high ticket offer, you want it to be 5, 6, 7, 8, 9K. That's like a good high ticket pricing, and you need few customers to reach your monthly income goals. What comes after having an offer is traffic. There's only really two main ways to get customers predictably. One, making long form videos on YouTube. Not shorts, forget about shorts, they don't make fucking money. And I would know I've gotten like dozens of millions of views on shorts. Never made any money from the shorts. However, a long form YouTube video with like 1,000 views got me a lot of business, made me tens of thousands of dollars. So you don't have to be famous for this to work. You don't even have to show your face if you don't want to. I mean, especially nowadays with AI tools, you can run, a faceless business. I recommend you show your face, but you don't have to. And then the other way to get traffic is simply paid advertising. It is literally the fastest, quickest way to get results. Because you can buy sales calls, because you can buy customers. But if you don't know what you're doing, well, obviously you're just throwing money into the machine into Facebook ads, and then you lose all your money. So we have to do it correctly and at the right time. For some people, it doesn't make sense to start with ads, but for some people, it makes sense to ditch content for now and start automatically with ads. So on that free one-to-one strategy call with me, I'm going to show you exactly where you should be starting. The third step in the 4-step process is the sales mechanism. There's a few different ways to sell info products, and we're going to look at all of them and see which one is the best. There is a traditional sales page, a webinar, a sales call, etc. And then step 4 is delivery, which, when it comes to scaling and removing yourself as much as possible from the day-to-day operations, is extremely important. So instead of doing the work for someone else, we're going to build a course and they get access to the course. It's a product. You make it one time, you update it every couple years, and that's it. So right now you've got two options in front of you. Option 1 is to take all the information I gave you today and you try to do it alone. If you want to do that, that's fine. But just know it'll probably cost you a lot more money and a lot more time than if you were willing to invest in yourself and learn from a mentor, somebody who's done this successfully. Like I told you earlier in this video, I made only $1,000 in my first year of selling courses because I thought I knew everything already, because I thought I knew better. And so I didn't invest in a mentor, I did not invest in myself. And I regret it still to this day, because after I invested in myself, I increased my income by over 25,000%, and then I had a 10K month for the first time ever. So don't be the person who has this massive ego and thinks they know better. If you haven't successfully sold high-ticket info products at scale, then you don't know how to do it. And the best way for you to get results quick is to literally let me put all the knowledge that's in my brain into your brain directly. And that's why option 2 is to simply go below this video, book your free one-to-one call. You're gonna be talking to me directly, and we're gonna build your business together. It'll be so much quicker for you to get results and so much more fun, because I'm gonna give you a proven step-by-step process. So with that said, go below this video, book your free strategy call, and I will see you on the call.